Okay, now we're going to look at LIFO, last in,
First out, right? Last in, first out. We start out with the same 10 units at 91 bucks, right? And we buy some units. The 10 at 91 comes down. The 15 at 106 comes underneath. Let's look just like LIFO, right? Same deal. It looks the same because we haven't had to make any decisions yet. This is the same data, right? This is that data from Exhibit 6.3. Now, we're going to sell 20 units at, again, we don't care what we sell them at, we're looking at what they cost us, right? Now I'm doing last in, first out. When I go to sell 20 units, I'm going to start at the bottom of the list, right? So the first thing I'm going to do is bring down those 15 at 106, right? But that's not enough, so I need to, what? Sell 5 of the $91 units, right? Now, I had 15 of those, sold them all, they're gone. They don't show up over here, right? Had 10 of them at 91 bucks, sold 5, so we've got 5 at 91. Now notice what we did different. When we went to sell things, we started where? At the bottom of the list, right? Bottom of the pile, LIFO, last in, first out, okay? Now, August 17th, I'm going to buy 20 more, and again, we bring down the 5 at 91. The 20 at 115 come underneath because we have to maintain those layers, right? We have to maintain those layers because we're selling how? Last in, first out. We buy again on the 28th, so again we go to 3 layers. So I bring down what? The 5 at 91. I bring down the 20 at 115, and 10 at 119 comes up underneath. So again, we've got what? 3 layers to deal with. Last in, first out. The 30th, we're going to sell 23 units. Now remember, this is LIFO, last in, first out, so I start where? Bottom of the list, right? Sell 10, I still need 13 more, so I go where? To the $115 layer. I have enough there, so there's the 23 units, right? There's my cost of each of them. Now, had 10 of them at 119, sold them all, so the $119 units are gone, right? Had 20 of those, sold 13, got 7 left at 115, and 5 of them at 91, right? Still have all 5 of those at 91. Notice now my inventory is made up of my oldest costs, right? The oldest costs that we have, because the cost of goods sold was made up of all the newest, the last in costs, right? So that's kind of how that's going to work. So that's FIFO and LIFO, right? Or FIFO, we did in the last video. LIFO is here. Now we're going to do weighted average.